Give up bad habits. Do not make noise. I am starving now. I am feeling thirsty. I talked with him. What is the time? I invited her to tea. I am on the way. Just wait a little. I cannot talk right now. I will message you later. She is working on the computer. They are washing the dishes. I enjoy cooking dinner. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed quickly. I comb my hair. I make my bed. I prepare breakfast daily. I eat my breakfast. I drink a glass of water. I leave for work. I go to school. I clean my room. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I water the plants. I finish my homework. I read a book. I write in my notebook. I call my friend. I check my phone. I open the window. I close the door. I turn off the lights. I fold my clothes. I iron my clothes. I set the table. I eat my lunch. I wash the plates. I take a short rest. I go for a walk. I buy some groceries. I cook rice for dinner.